We were changing the software, the tooling, new teams, new ways of working with scaled agile and DevOps, all integrating together at once to deliver that customer-focused outcome. Everyone expects to be paid on time, all the time, and not having that or fearing that that wouldn't happen is not acceptable. If you can imagine a payroll system, highly integrated, traditional monolithic system, very hard to change. So all of the things that I wanted to put in place was to drive out that uncertainty.
Ultimately, we chose Red Hat OpenShift to run on-premise in a cloud-native fashion, developed with cloud-native principles, so that we could bring the compute close to the data and process everything on the platform in the EdPay application here in New Zealand.
Part of integrating our customers was inviting them into the beta program. We started with a very small cohort of around 11, where they would come into education payroll and test out a live system in a real-world situation, and we could test with them what worked, what didn't, what they understood, what was still a bit complex and needed more simplification.
At the heart of the continuous integration and continuous deployment system is GitOps, not only for our external customers, the principals and school administrators of New Zealand, but also our internal teams, the development teams deploying to their environments and the testers deploying to their environments as well, giving them, maybe most importantly, the power and control to self-service and make those deployments on demand for themselves.
Now, every code deploy runs over 9,000 tests in hours instead of days and days of regression testing.
And another huge benefit of OpenShift was being able to do zero downtime deployments. This was something that never been possible before, where we would update in the morning, where we had a lot of users on the system, lots of traffic, and we were able to roll out new versions seamlessly without the users even being aware that they were getting a new version until they brought it up in their browser.
It's just transformed the speed in which we can travel, but also increased the value to the customer by taking that customer feedback and getting it into production quickly. We now can turn around code within a fortnight, and that couldn't be better for our schools.